question number 14 is actually for Dia MD. Dia, read question number 14 and tell me the tense form. I'm going to write the question on the board. Dia can read the question. I think the question is, they asked me, right? Am I right?
Ma'am, page number?
Yes, ma'am.
They
Yes, ma'am.
asked me to wait.
They asked me to.
Okay,
They
this is
asked
question
me
number.
to
Yeah, this is question
wait.
number 14. Okay, so this is question number 14. They asked me to wait. So Dia, please tell me the verb of the sentence and tell me the tense form. Dia, are you there, Dia? I cannot hear you. Dia? Angelina Jos. Angelina, Dia, I'm sorry. I cannot hear you. Check your mic. Angelina Jos. Angelina, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my dear. Look at the sentence. They asked me to wait. Okay? So tell me the verb.
Asked.
Okay, asked is the verb. Tell me the tense form.
Simple past.
Very good. The sentence is written in simple past tense. Very good, very good. So question
Thank you,
number 15. See children, question number 15. I have been
Studying since morning.
Studying since morning. Okay? Okay, I'm searching for a fellow here. Richard Melking. Richard, try to identify the verb and tell me the tense form.
Have been studying.
Excellent. Have been studying. Tell me the tense form.
Present perfect.
Present.
Perfect.
Only present perfect.
No, ma'am. Present perfect continuous.
You can see an ing form here, right? Present participle form. So present perfect continuous. Okay.
Can Gautam tell that 16th answer?
Present perfect continuous. Okay. Now question number 16.
He had broken the window.
I'll write the question on the board. He had broken the window, right?
Yes.
Okay. He had broken. B-R-O-K-E-N. Broken the window. Blesswin. This is for you, Blesswin. Tell me the tense form. Verb. Identify the verb and tell me the tense form. Blesswin.
Broken.
Only broken. There is no auxiliary verb is used.
Had.
So the verb is?
Had is present.
Blesswin, tell me the verb.
Present.
Blesswin,
Ma'am.
Blesswin, tell me the verb.
Ma'am, past perfect.
Wait. Blesswin, I want you to tell me the verb.
Past perfect.
No, I want you to tell me the verb. Tell me the verb.
Verb.
Pick out the verb from the sentence.
He had broken.
Excellent. Had broken. Okay. Tell me the tense form.
Past perfect.
Excellent. Very good. Past had shows that the sentence is in past. And past participle form of the verb is used. So the sentence is in past perfect. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now 17th sentence, that is to Manu. Okay. 17th one. Arun.
Ma'am, okay.
Manu, this is for you.
Gave
Gave me
A message.
the message.
Ma'am, gave.
Okay. Verb is gave. Tense form.
Ma'am, simple past.
Very good. The sentence is in simple past. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
18th question again. Fia Maria. 18th question to Fia Maria. Fia, they
They will have gone to bed.
They will have
Gone to bed.
gone to bed. Okay. Verb?
Will have gone.
Excellent. Will have gone. Tense?
Future
Yeah, will is
perfect.
there, so the sentence is in future. Okay. Future.
Perfect.
Future perfect. Have plus gone. Very good. Future perfect. Excellent. Excellent, Fia.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Next sentence to Brightlin Lijo. Okay. Brightlin Lijo. Question number
Yes, ma'am.
19. Okay, Brightlin. Sentences. She stays with her grandparents. She stays
She stays with her
Stays
grandparents.
with her
With her-
grandparents.
Grandparents.
Yes, 1 minute. Grandparents. Grandparents. Okay. Tell me. He left the meeting. Alim
ma'am.
Sian. Alim Sian.
Ma'am, he's there. Ma'am,
He's there. So tell me the
Yes, ma'am.
answer.
Ma'am, I need to tell the verb right.
Tell me the word.
Stays.
Oh, very good.
Stays.
Stays. Tense form.
Tense form. Simple present.
Excellent. Stays. Simple present. Very good.
Stays.
Simple present. Very good. Prepare well for the exam, okay? Okay, next.
Okay,
Last
ma'am.
question to Alim Sian. Alim,
Alim has some problems.
what problem?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes. Yes, he's. Sometimes he will get audio problems.
Audio problem. Alim, are you able to follow me now? Can you hear me now, Alim?
And not audio connection problems.
Okay, so Praveen P.
Ma'am,
Joshi.
sometimes it will
Next
come.
question to Praveen. Praveen, I am working. Praveen, you switch on your video.
I am working.
I am working
project.
on a new project.
Working on a new project.
Praveen? Praveen P. Joshi, switch on your video and tell me the answer. Identify the verb. Praveen, unmute your device.
Any connection problem, ma'am?
Praveen, unmute your device. No way. Nandida? Nandida? Nandida, unmute your device and tell me the verb.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my dear. Tell me the verb.
Working.
Only working. No other auxiliary verb here.
I'm working.
Excellent. Always prefer like that. If there is any auxiliary verb is used, attach that auxiliary verb with the main verb. Okay. So am working. Am working. Tell me the tense form.
Future.
There is no will or shall. If there is will or shall, you can label it as future. But here you can see am working. So working is ending with ing form. Ing forms are continuous forms. Okay.
Continuous
So
form.
am working. What is it?
Simple present. Present continuous. Present
Sentence
continuous.
is an example for present
Present
continuous.
continuous.
Am, see, am, is, are coming under the present tense. Was,
am,
were coming under the
I am.
past tense. Remember always. Okay, so the sentence is actually am plus working, ing form. Present continuous.
Past is was were and future.
See children, let me ask you a question. How many of you got 20 out of 20? All the questions correct. Excellent. Very good. Many students. Very good. Very good, Devak. Yes, Harsha,
I got
Chinmay,
9.
Gautam. Yes, Priya,
Ma'am,
Anthony. Very good. Very good.
I got 9.
Very good, Anina.
Chinmay.
Very good. Madhav Ranjit. Adinath. Excellent. Very good. Yes, Angelina. Very good. Very good. Yeah,
I
very
got
good.
90.
Okay, Rohit KJN. Now, Rohit. Now, Rohit, next question for you. 21st question. All of you write this question. 21st question. Okay? That is, the birds are flying in the sky. The birds are flying in the sky. Rohit? Rohit, identify the verb. Yeah, very good. Are flying. Identify the tense form.
Present continuous.
Okay, present continuous. Excellent. Very good, very good. Okay, are flying. Next question to Alok V. Pulikal. Alok,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
one is 21st question, 22nd question. Tom, all of you write. Tom spends his holidays. Tom spends his holidays at beach. Yes, Alok.
Ma'am, is it simple present?
Tell me the tense form. Okay, tell me the
Simple
verb.
present.
Verb.
Spends.
Spends. Very good. And the tense form?
Simple present.
Very good. You're right, my son. Very good. Keep it up. Simple present.
Thank you, ma'am.
Adinath Nair. 23rd question for
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
Adinath. He was
Yes, ma'am.
combing his hair. Adinath, he was combing his hair. Identify the verb.
Past continuous.
I want verb.
Was combing.
Very good. Was combing. Tense form.
Richard.
Past continuous.
Future means there should be the use of will
No,
or
ma'am.
shall. If there is
Ma'am,
no will or
without
shall, it is
continuous.
not coming under the future tense. Was.
Ma'am,
No, I
without
have
past
told you.
continuous.
Am, is, are can be used with the present tense. Was and where can be used with the past tense.
Ma'am, without past continuous.
Okay, past continuous. Very good. Past continuous. Okay. Next question to
Ma'am, how?
Gautam KN. Gautam,
Yes,
24th question. Gautam. Nimra has planted roses in her garden. In her garden. Okay, Gautam.
Yes, ma'am.
Gautam, tell me the verb.
Planted. Has planted.
Very good. Tell me the tense form.
Ma'am, can I say?
No.
Present.
Present.
Perfect.
Excellent. Has shows that the sentence is in present tense, right? Present perfect. Past participle form of the verb is used. Has plus past participle form. So the sentence is in present perfect. Okay? 25th question. I am moving to. I am searching for a person. Pranav. 25th question. The salesman, all of you write. The salesman had been collecting the orders. Okay, Pranav, already your video is off. Bharadwaj, Catherine Maria, Srihari and Pranav, your videos are off. Switch on your video. All must switch on your video. Srihari, Pranav, Bharadwaj, switch on your video.
Ma'am, I on my
Can
video.
you share the screen?
I'll share, definitely I'll share the screen, but I want Srihari to switch on his video. Srihari,
Ma'am, I
Pranav,
can't on my
Bharadwaj,
video.
Ma'am, Srihari have some network.
Plusvin also.
Ma'am, I can't on my video.
Ma'am,
The salesman had been collecting the orders. This question to Pranav. Pranav, are you there in the class?
Ma'am, Pranav and Pranav and Srihari have network problem. So,
Pranav, are you there in the class? That was my
ma'am,
question.
he's there, but some network problem he cannot.
Srihari,
Ma'am, he also like that. He can't.
Srihari, can you hear me? No. Ayman, switch on your video. Ayman, look at the sentence. 25th
Yes.
question. The salesman had been collecting the orders. Identify the verb and tell me the tense form.
Past continuous.
Ayman, you're not
My
thorough
past
with the tense rules. You haven't learnt. Look at the sentence and tell me the verb. Pick out the verb first.
Ma'am, had been collecting.
Correct. You're right then. Had been collecting. So tell me the tense form. Had plus been
Past
plus
perfect
present
continuous.
participle. Louder.
Ma'am, past perfect continuous.
You're right, my son. Had plus been plus present participle form
A
of the
verb.
verb. Okay.
Verb plus
So the
ing.
sentence is in
Past perfect continuous.
past.
Perfect continuous.
Very good. So by heart the rules.
Ma'am, yesterday I was learning these rules.
Very good. Keep it up. Should practice with more examples. Very good.
I was studying.
Next question. I'm just checking for another person. Anina VT. Anina, 26th question. Okay. Anina, question number 26. He visits health clubs. He visits health clubs. Anina,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the tense form. First of all, identify the verb.
Visit.
Visits. Very good, Anina. And tell me the tense form.
Simple present.
Wonderful. Very good. Simple present. Very good. First form of the verb is used. Simple present tense. Okay. 27th question too. I'm just searching for another person. Chris Joe. Chris Joe. The students have received their prizes. Okay, so Christo, look at the sentence and tell me the verb.
Have received.
Very good. Tell me the tense form, my son.
Present perfect.
Excellent. Very good. Present
Thank you, ma'am.
perfect. Very good. Present perfect. Very good. Okay. Next question to Brightlin Lejoy again. Brightlin, 28th question. Brightlin, can you hear me? I will have ironed my clothes. Brightlin Lejo, Look at the sentence and try to identify the verb. Brightlin.
Ma'am, can Ananda say?
I'll give you a chance, Ananda. Next is your chance. Okay?
Alright.
Okay, my dear. Brightlin Lejo. Brightlin Lejo. Look at the sentence and tell me the verb.
Ma'am, can I say?
This
Ma'am,
question
he is
given to
muted.
Brightlin Lejo. He has to answer. Unmute your device. First of all, you unmute your device. You don't know how to unmute your device, Brightlin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Brightlin, now you tell me the verb of the sentence.
I will have ironed.
Verb. Verb. Repeat.
Will have ironed.
Okay. Will have ironed. Okay. Tell me the tense form.
Ma'am, future perfect.
Excellent. Very good. Future. Will or shall shows that the sentence is in future tense, and have plus in shows that will or shall plus have plus past participle form of the verb is used. So the sentence is in future perfect. Okay. Next question, Anandan. Very good. He was asking me to get a chance. Question number 29. Okay, Anandu, this is for you. She has been writing poems. She has been writing poems for 1 week. So, Anandu, look at the sentence, identify the verb and tell me the answer.
Has been writing.
Very good, very good. And try to identify the tense form.
Present perfect continuous.
Excellent, very good. Present, perfect, continuous. Very good. 30th question, that is to
Ma'am, can I?
who?
Anthony.
Oh, of course, Anthony, you can. 30th question. Okay.
Okay.
He was kicking a ball. Anthony, he was kicking a ball.
Ma'am, was kicking.
Okay, very good, Anthony. So your answer?
Past continuous.
Excellent, wonderful. Past continuous, very good. Next question.
Ma'am, Chinmay.
Chinmay, of course, Chinmay. Chinmay, your question is, they had been laughing for long. They had been laughing for long.
Had been laughing.
Very good. So the tense form? Chinmay? So the tense form?
Ma'am, can I say?
Past.
Past?
Ma'am, can I say?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Past perfect continuous.
Excellent. Had plus, been plus, present participle form of the verb. Past perfect, continuous. Okay. Excellent. Yes. Next is Ayman, your chance. Ayman, 32.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 32. Okay. That is, I will buy a car. Yes, Ayman. Identify the verb.
Ma'am, simple future.
You're right. Verb I want.
Ma'am, will buy.
Excellent, my son. Okay, so the sentence is in simple
Simple future
Very
tense.
good. Will or shall plus base form of the verb. So simple
Ma'am,
future tense. Angelina, okay.
Can I go?
Next question, Angelina. Angelina?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. She will be dancing on the stage. Verb?
Will be dancing.
Very good. Tense form?
Future continuous.
Excellent. Will or shall plus be plus present participle form of the verb. So sentence is in future continuous.
Continuous.
Excellent. Excellent.
Thank
Very
you,
good.
ma'am.
Who is that?
Agni.
Agni. Of course, Agni. 34th question. Agni. He gets up early. Yes, Agni.
Gets.
Only gets.
Gets up.
Gets up. Okay. So the tense form?
Simple present.
Simple present. Wonderful.
Ma'am,
Who is that? Who is that?
Gaudam.
Who is that?
Gaudam.
Gaudam. Yes. Last question. Question number 35. The last question. Gaudam. We eat to live. We eat to live.
Eat.
Eat. Very good. Okay. Tense form?
Simple.
Simple?
Simple present.
Simple? It's not clear for me, my dear.
He's telling simple present.
Correct. Simple present. So this is how you can identify the tense form. So we have got 35 questions. 35 question is there to identify. Okay.
Ma'am, can you share once more?
Why not?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you told revision test.
I'll send you the link. Okay. I'll send you the link today. Okay.
Ma'am, by WhatsApp.
Through WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
Please,
Ma'am, can you show the 34th question?
Now it is almost time to end. We
Ma'am,
have
by
3 more minutes. Okay, we have 3 more minutes. So now my intention, I am going to give you the verb and I'm going to give you one tense form. And that particular verb you need to change into the tense form mentioned there. Okay, ready?
ma'am, to make sentences.
No, only verb. Okay. Suppose, example, look at the board, children.
Write it.
Change as directed. Heading. All of you write this heading. All of you write this heading. Change.
Ma'am, if you send a link in the WhatsApp, we can submit it.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can submit it by tomorrow.
Today evening.
We should submit it by today evening.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what you told?
Change as.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what you told to submit?
No, I have. I'll be pasting or I'll be sending a link for a small test out of 10 marks today evening. Okay.
Okay,
So you
ma'am.
can submit today. At what time you want the question paper, children?
Ma'am, at 6
o'clock.
o'clock.
At
So
7
I'll
o'clock.
be reaching home. I'll be
6
reaching
o'clock.
home. See,
7 o'clock.
see,
6
I will be reaching home
6
only at
o'clock.
6 o'clock. So
7 o'clock.
7:30 or 8 o'clock. Is that okay for you guys? 8 o'clock. So fixed. Okay. The time is fixed. 8 o'clock. Today, 8 o'clock. I'll be sending a link in your class group. Open the link and attempt the test paper. And today, after this class, you sit with the rules and by heart it. Okay. So your exam will be so easy for you guys. Ready to write a test like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so sharp 8 o'clock, I'll be posting a link and you should submit the answer within 15 minutes. Okay, 8 o'clock I'll be pasting the link in the, or I'll be sending the link in your class group. 8:15. At the time 8:15, it should be submitted. Clear?
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, because at 8 o'clock, our prayer time.
Okay, so after the prayer, you can open the link and write.
Ma'am, our prayer will finish 8:30 or 8:45.
Okay, after that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, only you have prayer at 8 o'clock. Rest of them,
Yes,
I think they'll be finishing early.
Ma'am, I also sometimes
No,
will
don't
not
worry,
finish.
don't worry. So whenever it's your convenient time, don't ask your parents. See, I am very happy with your performance today. So I know that you are thorough with the tense rules. Only 1 or 2 children, they need more drilling. So I'll be sending, I know that you will not go for any malpractices, and you will be submitting by sitting all, or you are doing your work by your own. Don't ask your parents' support, okay? Try
Okay,
to
ma'am.
submit, try to write
Yes,
the
ma'am.
exams by yourself, and try to submit
Okay,
the
ma'am.
answer keys,
Then we
sorry,
submit
answer
by
sheets
ourselves.
before
Okay, thanks
8:15
form,
today.
right?
Okay, so we'll discuss in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.